Hey guys, Erin with Exit here at Keystone Real Estate Settlement Services to talk a little today about title work and what does that mean to your real estate transaction. So we're going to sit down and talk to these great folks today and learn about what they do and how they fit into my village. Hey guys, Erin with Exit here at Keystone Real Estate Settlement Services with Heather and Tracy. And today we're going to talk a little bit about title work and how that fits into your real estate transaction. So Heather, hi, thanks for having me here today. Tracy, thanks for having me here today. I'm really excited. These guys, they're really good, true professionals in this business. They work together, dynamic duo, okay? So what is title work in the real estate? Like, you know, buyers, sellers, they don't really know what you guys do.
No, we're kind of the behind the scenes people that everyone says you need to go find a settlement agent, and everyone's like, well, what's that? So basically, when you have a signed contract, you have a buyer and a seller that agree on everything, and we're going to get that contract, and that's going to get the ball rolling for us. We're going to take that file, we're going to take it down to the courthouse, we're going to do a 60-year title search on it, you know, looking for any outstanding liens, judgments, taxes, any red flags that the new buyer would not want to take on as their new responsibility.
Okay. Now, what are some red flags that could possibly come up that you might find?
The person that we think owns the property may not actually own the property. It could be an estate, there could be outstanding heirs, there could be judgments or mortgages or taxes that were never taken care of. So, you know, once you buy that property, that all becomes your responsibility now. So,
and you guys want to make sure, so you guys check and make sure that that's all cleaned up before the new buyer takes possession. So that's what you guys are busy doing.
Right.
While the real estate transaction is moving on, you guys are in the background making sure that this is a clear and free title.
Yes, yes. So we can issue the title insurance that 9 chances out of 10 the lender is going to require and the new owner is going to want.
Okay. Now, title insurance, why is that important to have?
Title insurance is going to pay if any of those things come up. If anything along that process wasn't handled correctly and there was an outstanding judgment or mortgage, it's like any other insurance policy. It's going to make sure you don't lose any out-of-pocket expenses.
Right.
Also, another thing with title insurance that some people don't understand is whether or not someone has a valid claim against your property, it can still cost you a lot of court fees and attorney fees to defend yourself. Title insurance will also cover that.
Yeah. And buying a house, you definitely don't want to be moving in and have a knock at the door and somebody, you know, hey, I'm a contractor and I did work on this house and I was never paid and now you need to pay me. So that covers, you know, what you guys do there. You also have another job in the real estate process that buyers and sellers really don't see until closing day, because settlement, we come and you guys are the ones that are preparing everything for settlement, the mountains of paperwork that you're going to have to sign. She says that, but the folders are like this thick. So you guys are getting all of that together. You're working with the bank. You're working with the homeowners insurance companies to make sure that that's all together. You're working with the real estate agent. And then you guys handle all of the funds.
Correct. All money comes in through our account and then we disperse everything. We're going to pay any taxes that are due. The mortgage, we're going to make sure that gets paid off in a timely manner. We're going to make sure the seller gets their money, you know. So
sounds like they take care of everything that I don't want to handle. What is the most important, if we could just real quick, what is the one thing that you wish more people knew about what you do?
Really, we're trying to just protect the buyers and their money. It's a large amount of money. It's probably one of the largest investments you're going to make in your lifetime, and we're just there trying to protect you. So some of the things that we have in place and that we ask for may seem a little tedious, but it's there for your protection.
Yep, absolutely. And then you make settlement a breeze by going through all that paperwork and explaining that, making everyone comfortable.
Yes.
Well, guys, I really appreciate you doing this, and you know, helping me put this video out there to help inform, you know, the public about this part of the real estate transaction. They're awesome. That's why they're part of my village. I trust them. And thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks, Erin.
See you guys.